I'm really touched by all this work and all that you all are doing, and it is really impressive. And I hope really God is with you all. And I thank all the people who are behind the curtains, who are doing all this work and who are not being seen. Really helpful in so many ways. And you all are doing God's work. So I'm really happy for all this.
Very, very good, because it can help the people who is at need. It can open the mind, be close to God for those people who are at needs, financially, medical, groceries, and awakening of mind, body, and soul is first thing.
And I thank you also for the food, very good food. Even if you pay money also, you will not get this type of food. I mean, really, it is something which is beyond what we actually should expect actually. What you all are doing for us, I am thankful very much.
Thanks be to God for this gift, and I'm very happy to be here with God mercy and help.
I am very humbled, and I am very humbled that I have been invited in this program. This is first time I have been invited here, so I'm very thankful for the organizers, and thank you MCGI Cares for conducting this kind of charity and beautiful work. So many people can't afford normal regular medical checkup. They have been benefited by this program. MCGI Care provides a free medical checkup that is very nice, and I have been given this duty, and I am very grateful that I have been chosen for this. So thank you very much.
Una po sa lahat, salamat sa Diyos sa mabuting pagkakataon. Isang napakasarap na experience, masarap sa puso yung makapunta tayo dito sa lugar ng Goa, sa India. Ito yung unang beses ko na makapunta rito sa India. Makita po yung mga kapatid, yung mga bisita. Nakita natin yung aral in action. Salamat sa Diyos sa mga ganitong pagkakataon na yung nakakabahagi.
I came here not by accident. I was brought here because I have an hunger and thirst for the Word of God. That's the reason I am come here. It's not that I have just come by accident. It's not an accident. It's God's will that I am here today. Because I was supposed to go to some other church, but I came here So thank God I'm come to the right place. And I hope people can realize that we should love one another, not only by words but by action. It is really expressing love and an expression of God's kindness in human beings. And I can see that you all are doing it. Your main objective is to actually bring people closer to God.
It's my first time, but it was fun doing it with a brethren. It feels really nice to help others. Even if it's in a very small way, still, it's lovely. It is different from our everyday work that we do. In a small way, if we could help the brethren, to God be all the glory.
अनंत जीवन हृदयको सपना जहाँ दुख पीडा अन्त्य हुनेछ पिता परमेश्वर अनि प्रिय येशूसँग जहाँ आनन्दको अन्त्य
sa mga nagsisipagtiyaga sa mabubuting gawa ay ang buhay na walang hanggan. Para ngayon yan ating mapagtiyagaan, hindi ba marapat talagang yung ating pag-aaral kung paanong magagawa yung lahat ng mabuting gusto ng Diyos magawa natin? Mapagsikapan natin na tulong-tulong tayo, mananatili tayo sa mabubuting gawa para wag tayong mawalan ng bunga. Kaya para tayo magbunga, pagsikapan natin anumang mabuting gawa samantalang tayo'y may pagkakataon gawin natin. I-grab natin ang bawat opportunity. Mga kapatid, oras na para tayo naman po ay magpatuloy sa pagbubunga.
Jaan ang dako